In this example, we'll learn how to create a NEM Nano Wallet on our mobile device. And in this example, we'll use an Android mobile phone. And we will export that mobile wallet to our desktop. You simply open the NEM Nano Wallet on your phone. And here you would either put a password or authenticate with your fingerprint for compatible phones. And we'll click on Add Account. Create. And I'll call this Android Wallet. Create. It says export account private key. Users are responsible for their funds. And this should be a standard practice to ensure that you keep your private keys to yourself and have it backed up. Click OK. Now click OK here. And this is how you would export your account. But to also get the private key showing, you click on Show Private Key. And it gives you a little bit of warning about how you should keep this private key to yourself and never to reveal to anyone other than yourself. Click I understand. And right underneath this public key, your public key, is your private key. And of course, for security reasons, I have blacked this out. But this is what you will use to export your mobile wallet to your desktop. Now, some of you may copy this private key and email it to yourself and so forth, but I would recommend actually typing this private key onto your desktop. Now, let's move to our desktop wallet. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open up your NEM Nano Wallet desktop by clicking on the Nano Wallet application icon. Now, at the Nano Wallet interface, click Sign Up, Private Key Wallet, and click Ready. You will select the Mainnet network, Next, and input your wallet name. Click Next, give it a password, something long and as secure as possible. Next. And this is where you would input the private key that we received on our mobile device. Now, let's go back to our mobile device. If you have backed out of your section that shows the private key, you can simply return back from the dashboard by clicking on More, Export Account, click OK, and Show Private Key. Now, I would recommend typing in this private key as you see it from the mobile device. For ease, I will bring up a notepad on my desktop and type this private key in. Now, after you have typed the private key, highlight, copy it, and simply paste into the private key field here. As you do so, your corresponding NEM wallet address will appear. Now let's confirm that this is the exact same as our NEM wallet address on our phone. Simply go back, click QR, and they are the same. Now if they are not the same, please return back to the private key and check your numbers and letters and re-input them into the private key field. Now, let's click Next and give it some time to generate your wallet. Click Understood. And here you have the option to download or back up your wallet. Click Download. And I will save my wallet on my external USB device for safekeeping. I'll keep the name, save. I have the option to also save the raw wallet file. Highlight this, and I'll paste this in my notepad. And I'll also save this information on my external USB. For safekeeping. Now, I'll go ahead and continue on and click on I have my wallet file. I know the private key, and I also know my password. Continue. Click I agree, and your wallet has been successfully created. Now, select your wallet, type in the password, and you have now synced your mobile wallet with your desktop. Now to confirm once more, click on Account Primary, top right corner, and there you see your wallet address. Keep in mind, anything that you send or receive from both your mobile and desktop wallet will be in sync and will have the same exact information as seen in your dashboard. Now, for more official information and help regarding your NEM Nano wallet, don't forget to visit the NEM Help Desk on Telegram. Stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel regarding the NEM blockchain.